We're here with Nathan and his...
And I'm holding a cicada right now. And all the background sound is a bunch of cicadas. Oh! There he goes. Is he approaching my neck?
Yeah.
I don't feel him. Oh! Ouch! Oh, that feels weird. Get off it.
Oops, he's trying to hang on. He wants to walk on your head. Here, I'll take him off here.
Ouch.
Here, hold out your hand. I want to get a picture of you with him.
Dad, why does it feel so weird? It feels like he's biting me. Ow, ow. Dad, why does it hurt?
Here, smile.
Ow, it feels like he's biting me. It hurts. Dad, this really stings when he walks on me.
Oh, he's just got sticky. He likes you.
Ow, 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 ow.
Nathan, do you realize he's 17 years old?
Yeah.
So when they come out every 17 years, they lay eggs in the ground, and then they live underground for 17 years.
Please don't get on my face.
Until the temperature is...
Ow, stop it.
Until the...
Dad, look. 3 more cicadas.
Are they alive?
Yeah.
Nathan, what kind of tree is
Can we
this?
tell him to get off? Can we take him off?
He likes that part of your neck. You know why? That's where your soul comes into your body. It's a good energy there. Here, you want him on top of your head?
Sure. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you fell off. Well, hi.
Now he's on you.
Should we take him in?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if she would want that.
So little cicada. Is it time to let him go?